Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am braiding my hair, so I'm going to Dutch braid my hair like down the side here. And I've noticed that in some of my comments sometimes that people always ask me like how I braid my hair, so in today's video I'll show you just that. So to start, obviously you have to brush your hair, make sure that there's no tangles inside it. And I parted my hair with, what's this called, a rat tail comb. So I used it to go down the middle and whatnot. You can always use your finger if you want to, if you don't want it so precise. Yes, please ignore my little spot. And if my face is shiny, that's because I smothered my face in Vaseline this morning because my face was dry and I just wanted to like rejuvenate it. So yeah, people don't probably do that, but this is what I do. So my face is dry, I just smother it in Vaseline and then after a while it becomes moist. But yeah, I don't do it underneath makeup, so don't worry. I have a little spray bottle. So this is just water inside it, because I find it easier to braid my hair when it's wet or damp, because you don't get a lot of flyaways. So just spray your hair. And also I like to use little like plastic bands, I think. So this is what it looks like. Just a generic plastic band. So I will just need 2, and I get mine from Primark just because it's cheap and cheerful, and it's only £1 from Primark. So that's what it looks like, and you get like loads in it. I don't know how many you get. Does it tell you? But this would, oh yeah, no it doesn't. Oh yeah, 500. So I plait my hair like 3 out of, no, I probably plait my hair like every other day, just because I don't like my hair in my face. Okay, so brush it out, spray it a bit more. I'm not very good at explaining things, so you just have to watch. Just make sure. Okay. Okay, so I start off, if I look in this corner, there's basically a mirror down there. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at. So I would start off by making a little triangle, just like that. So it goes, the triangle goes from here downwards, then straight across, which is there. And then I'll split that into 3 sections. So 1, 2, 3, and then it's very thin. Let me come closer. Let me zoom in a bit. Okay. If you see dandruff, I'm very sorry. I know this is very close and personal, but it's okay. So 3, get this one underneath, this one underneath. So then I've prepped it, grab a little bit. Use this one, grab a little bit, and then grab a bit more, twist it underneath. Just have to watch. I'm starting to realize I didn't know what you had inside. Every time we tried, I let you down. Sometimes it gets tangled, so you just brush it through. People always ask how long it takes. It doesn't really take that long. I need someone that will talk on my behalf because, boy, I actually don't know what I'm doing. I just know how to do it, but I couldn't teach someone how to do this. So I thought I'd just do a video and show you how I plait my hair, because boy, don't know how to teach anyone. And you know what's funny? I don't know how to plait anyone else's hair, I only know how to plait my own hair. So if I was to do this on someone else, it would turn into a French braid rather than a Dutch braid. And I just don't understand why. So keep going, make sure you're grabbing onto it tight, and then when I reach the last bit with the last strand, I grab everything, just make sure everything's tight, and then plait it. So I plait underneath, and I make sure that I twist it tightly. Okay, so let's just put this bit. Okay, so with this one, the 1, 2, 3, this one here, twist it underneath. With the end one, twist it underneath. So basically the middle kind of always twist it into the middle. So twist it into the middle, but underneath that, twist it under. This one, twist it. Let me zoom out. Okay, so then put it underneath, underneath. Underneath. So 3. Let me zoom out a bit more. Okay, so if I sit back, so you have 3, and then you twist it underneath like this. Put it behind. Put this one behind this one. This one behind this one, and keep going. You can see my scar here. I had a spot there. And then sometimes I put product in it just to secure it in place so I don't get these like little flyaways that you can see. But because I'm staying at home today, I'm just gonna leave it. And then when I get to the end, and I can't really grab any more hair, I get a little plastic and then I just wrap it around, just like that. And if you can hear my bike in the background, I do apologise. So we split into 3, so you do 1, 2, 3, twist it under, twist it under. I'm just going to do it and not say it. You can see. yeah, just ignore this bit for now.
I'm worried about the way I've been living. I'm worried that you'll look at me different. I'm worried that this will all change. I'm worried about keeping you safe. I'm worried that I'm not that lucky. I'm worried that they never gon' love me. I'm worried that I'll be a fucking joke.
Obviously these things do happen where they just stick out, but I just use a bobby pin to pin it back into place, so it's just a minor. And then just tie it down. Bring it back so you can see. And sometimes this happens, so you have nothing here, somewhat here, and a lot on another side. So I just pick one from another side, join it onto the bit that hasn't got a lot of hair. So this is, so I get it, join it on, and just replait. To the very end, twist out, twist under, twist under, twist under, twist under, twist under, and then let me just zoom out. Okay, so I've zoomed out now. I should turn this up. And that's it. That's literally how I braid my hair. So with the bits that's sticking out, like this bit here, literally just get a bobby pin. So I get a hair grip, aka a bobby pin, and then get it, hook it in, just pin it in, and then hide it in your braid, just like that. Sometimes you can pull some down to frame your face, but because I've dyed my hair, all you can see is just that section there, but it's actually hair all the way down here as well. Okay. Then I just do my edges because I don't like fluffy hair. I like everything slipped back out of my way. So I used to use my Cantu products and slick it like that. I'm stuck. And that's it. That's how I Dutch braid my hair. I don't know if you can see properly. Obviously I've got more edges on this side than this side. With this side, because basically I dyed my hair recently and then I've bleached it, so this bit is blonde and that bit is grown at my grow out basically. So you only can see half of it. But that's it. that's how I braid my hair. So if you guys like the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.